Hey, it's Rihanna, aka Rhea, the cutest little Cali chick, and I'm back with another video. So tonight it's late, that's why I'm talking low. The kids are sleeping, hubby's sleeping, and I want to do an unboxing. I just got a new camera. I want you guys to comment down below how you guys think I look on camera, how everything is looking. It's a Canon. I will do a review on this as soon as I use it a couple more times and just see how I like it and how it's going. I just got a new computer also, so that's what I'm going to be unboxing tonight. It's an HP laptop. I have a mouse pad and I have a wireless mouse because I don't really like to use the mouse on the computer laptop because just when you're using it for a long time, it's kind of uncomfortable. So I just went ahead and got a wireless mouse and keypad. I just did my hair in a little bun, like a little cute, quick bun. And then I'm just sitting in the bed actually, filming. So I want to just go ahead and show you guys my new computer. I'm very excited about it. I haven't had a laptop or a computer since like college. So I'm very excited about it. So I would love for you to join my family of friends and just hit the subscribe button. Also, I want you to smash the like button and just give me a like because I'm up late. I put the kids down to bed, but I'm still vlogging and I'm still making videos just for you guys. So I love this mouse. I found it on Amazon. It's very cute. It's pink. It's Microsoft and it's wireless. It's perfect for everything I need for my laptop computer. It comes with the chip, and all you have to do is put the chip inside of the laptop and then it works wirelessly. This is my mouse pad. If you know me, you know my favorite color is pink, so all pink everything. And that's what I'm going to be using for my wireless mouse. HP, baby, HP. So this is my laptop. I'm super excited about it. I can't wait to I'm so excited. Here we go, cutting it open. It has a lot of packaging. Cord, styrofoam packaging, keeping it safe, manual. Oh, it's so sleek. Now I'm opening the mouse. I'm just reading the instructions, making sure I'm doing everything correctly, and it actually came with the battery. Excited. So I'm putting it together, making sure everything works, turning it on, inserting the chip on the side of the laptop. And that is what connects the laptop to the mouse. The mouse pad is so comfortable and so jelly. It has a comfort wrist. Now I'm just showing you guys everything up close. The mouse pad is so convenient. I love it. It's really, really soft and really, really comfortable to use. On, off, because you want to save your battery. So when you're not using the mouse, of course, just turn it off. But the blinking light shows you when it's on. So cute and so pink. Now this is the laptop. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. It's so sleek. It actually has 1 terabyte of memory and it has 8 gigabytes RAM. And it's Intel Core 7 i7 quad core processor. So it's very good, very fast, very sleek. It's actually not that heavy to have so much memory and it's very thin. I'm very excited. The screen is about 15.6 inches wide, so it's a very nice size screen, and it also comes with the laptop camera, microphone, and speaker. The keypad lights up. It's very nice. I'm going to turn it on for you guys so you can see how it looks when it comes on. It's beautiful. I'm very happy with my purchase. I did a little research, not that much, but I did some research. And I like that, just like I just showed you guys, on the side of the laptop, it has actually a port for my SIM card from my camera. So it's perfect. I don't even have to upload wirelessly, which burns battery. I can just stick the SIM card in. Overall, it's a total win. I absolutely love it.
Girl, I gotta know, is it you taking over my heart? If it's so, then all my girls and them, I gotta give them up. My playing days is over, I gotta hang it up. I gotta know, yeah. If she got a man, I don't care, cause I need her. I got a girl, but if she won't, I'ma leave her. She can be the girl